Welcome to our channel. So, in the last sessions, we discussed MVT architecture, creation of a Django project with a simple message. After completion of simple message, I created models. So, model concept is almost completed, views is completed. Now, what is remaining under MVT architecture? Template. Now, the purpose of template is to display the data. So here the Django uses a separate language, that is Django template language. Whenever we are trying to create a web application, what is the important thing? You need to display some information from the database or from the variables from the Django app. For that, they are using a new language that is called DTL, Django Template Language. Now, in this session, I discussed only the syntaxes of different commands. Later on, I will explain each and everything by considering an example. Okay, first to understand what are the different commands under DTL. The first one is the basic DTL tag is always everything is included in HTML web page. Remember, the basic DTL tag is this one. So flower brackets percentage the tag. So by using this one, we are inserting simple tags, simple basic tags. Now, in the HTML, we can include if statements, we can include for also. How to write a if condition? Exactly, flower bracket percentage. Here, what is my tag? If whatever the code you are writing, that is, if the condition is satisfied, that code is executed. After that, again within this one. Now you got it. This is the basic tag. This is the basic tag. Here you are writing that one. Here you are writing if, and at the end you are writing and if. Similarly, same you are writing for loop. The same concept for I in L. This is simply the loop in Python. Exactly for X in Y. Y is a collection, repeatedly takes one value from the Y and store it into X, perform some operation, close the for loop. Okay, so some basic tags are completed. Move to next one. Next one, we can include other files in your template. That means a file is already created with some information. If you want to include that file in your template, so the command is, this is common. The command is include. So what is the file? So that is header dot HTML of file name. Whatever the file that you want to include your template, you have to follow this syntax. Now, suppose here file is any file. Now the thing is already one HTML file is created. Now, if you want to extend the properties from that file, that means if you want to inherit from another file, you are using the command extends base in the sense parent HTML file name. Now, actually, this plays very crucial role to show a variable directly. Here I am writing the variable within double flower brackets. Whatever the value you are given, automatically the value is displayed. For example, in the print statement, you are writing print C. What happens? Whatever the value of C, the C value is printed exactly. Whatever the variable that is to be displayed. Now, we can move some advanced variables. So this is the simple variable. Here you can write any number separated with commas. But must and should be all the variables. Must and should be in double flower brackets. Double flower brackets. If you want a list, my list, this is the name of the list. Under this list, we are accessing zeroth element. If you want an object, so object title. If you want a dictionary key, now you got it. Whatever the variable you require, directly you can write the variable. It is possible to write comments. In between, we are writing the comments. Now, we discussed some tags. What is the meaning of this one and why we are using? So generally templates are used to display the data by creating an HTML file. Now, if you want to display the data in a more efficient way, Django uses a DTL, Django template language. Every language has some rules. Similarly, the DTL also follows these rules. Okay. Once you understand this DTL, step by step, I will explain each and every tag with some example. Okay. No problem. Thank you for the today's session. Thank you.